Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can favorite songs on Snapchat. So what you're going to want to do first is select this music button over here. And then for instance, I want to favorite this song. It's called First Class by Jack Harlow. So I'm just going to press the play button here. And as you can see, there is a heart shape, so I'm just going to select that. And to find the sound that I favorited, I'm just going to press my favorites and it'll show here like the song. And then to use it, I'm just going to select the song. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!